Hi, this is our version of the cup song, and today we are going to be doing the cup song. Where is my cup?
Where is it?
Little donkey, where are you? Hope you're not okay. If you want to see what this is, it's a dodo pen.
No, it's not. It's a pen. Look.
I found my cup.
Look.
Would
It's
you,
a pen.
would you die for Gina? Right, ready?
Harness the spray.
Right, you're not badass if hold the spray. Let me
No.
just tell you that.
Bum, 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 bum.
Charlie spray. Bum bum bum
No,
bum
don't,
bum.
don't have a lot of that.
Okay. Right.
Okay. Right.
Right.
Ready? Right. Right, me. Right.
I threw my money away.
Ow! Oh! I keep doing it wrong.
Does it light up?
Yeah. Shut up, I can't do it.
I'm coming for you.
Jimmy
Don't make me come over there.
Jimmy Savile. Do it to Ria.
I'm coming for you. I'm back. Oh, okay, bye bye now.
Come on. Alright, let's do a free row now. Forget the bird. Where's it gone? I can't do it. Right. Ugh. Right, let me do it because I can't do it. And bye. Oh, mate. Bye bye.
No. Doesn't work. Look.
Ugh. Right.
Right.
Ow. Right.
Right, this is the
Oh.
Chelsea Martin version of the cup song. It's an orange cup, right? Orange cup. Not plastic cup.
Not China cup.
No, it's a china cup. It's not a plastic cup or a glass cup. It's a plastic orange cup. Ah, me, I just chucked my finger under there. Bro, chilling with the hose. Right.
Creamies. Right.
This is how to do the Chelsea Martin version. First, you get a simple orange cup. Second, you clap your hands. Right, like this, so you can see me.
I think I've done it. Right.
Okay, right. And then you go, slide up, tap the
Oh my
cup,
god.
swivel the donkey, go. Then you start over again. Right.
Oh my god.
Then you go. Like that, you see? And then you get a bouncing ball and you balance it on top. Then you go. No, mate. Then you go. Like this.
Oh my god, I can't do it.
With the cup on top. Oh my god, look! I am the one and only simple unicorn.
I'm a unicorn.
Alright.
Oh my god.
Okay, we get it. You gotta like that, babe.
Oh.
What?
No. Right, ready? Chelsea. Okay, well, this is our version of the top song, and Chelsea's still learning it. Okay, right.
Okay, so as you kind of get, we can't do the cup song, can we? Can we? Can we? No.
No, just now.
No, we can't. Okay,
Right.
so bye. We're gonna
Right.
go feed our pet pigeons. Oh my god, do you want to see Finding Nemo?
Oh my god. Right, ready?
Doing it. Do you know we're actually so immature?
I know, right?
Okay, bye.
It's what teenagers do.
Okay, bye. Bye. Should we blow a kiss to make it more efficient?
I love you, babe.
Oh, mate. I burnt my head. Okay, bye.
Right, Chelsea, got to do it. Right.
Molly, do the pedo. Okay, bye. Oh look, my hair. Okay, bye.
Okay, right.